Money growing trees, bitch, I'm rooted up, They hating low key.
What's going on, guys? More Ambitious here, back with another video. In today's video, we are fixing the Misfire on my 250Z. And so I have a Misfire on cylinder 3, which is a bad Coil-Pack. This is a new one right here. So I'm gonna pull the bad one out and then go from there. My battery's pretty low, so I'm not gonna film everything, but I'll get back to you guys once I install it. Okay, so to access cylinder 3, it's gonna be right here. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is on the passenger side. And then, as you guys can see right here, one Coil-Pack, and the other one's tucked away right under the switch. If you can see right there, right in there. And so to get to that, we need to remove this strut, the strut bar, and then remove this hose. And then besides that, I need to undo the wire harness, just unclip it. And then I believe I need to unplug this right here, and then I can squeeze the Coil-Pack right out. Alright, so I was actually able to remove the old one without removing the strut bar, luckily. Pretty tight squeeze with all the wiring. As you can see down below, there goes the cylinder. This is the old one. Crusty hands, it's cold. Leave me alone. Oh, dropped the tool. And this is a new one. In case you guys once everything's back together. Alright, so right now we're going for the test drive. When I was having the problem, it wasn't always consistently happening. What would happen is I would drive for a little bit, and then I would get a misfire. I'd run the code, and it said cylinder 3. And then so I just figured that my Coil-Pack was going out. I'm gonna take it for a pretty long drive, 10-20 minutes, see how it goes. If all goes well, I'll throw in some runs for you guys. Included right now would be a run from last night. Me and my friend, we went to Mexico. We did a little run. He blew me. He has an Acura RSX. I know he has an ECU done, intake, header, and exhaust. Not sure what else, but yeah. Hopefully you guys do enjoy. Just throwing this out there, my next video, if all goes well, should be coilover and rear camber arm install. Following that video, I should be slotting my front coilovers, or am I doing it in the same video? I do not know. If all goes well, I would like to do that by this weekend, which is Saturday. If not, I'll do it maybe next Thursday, because I know I have off of school. I'll honestly just figure it out. But so far, if you guys are enjoying the video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe, drop a comment if you guys are new. Even if you guys are previous subscribers, please drop a comment. All support is welcome. I'll reply to all you guys, you know. And also be sure to turn on the notification, just so you guys can know when my videos come out. And yeah. Alright, so test drive went good. Everything seems good, all good with the car. This is currently how my car sits. You guys can hardly see it, but this A-pillar is missing. I do have a brand new one put on, but that's gonna be put on once I get a new windshield, which should be, I think, next week. I have to see what the appointment is, and then after that, paint. There's my exhaust. The lighting is pretty bad over here, guys. The paint's still crappy, you know, but my car so far. The fronts are sitting pretty low, the rear is pretty high. Fronts are on lowering springs, rears are not. Didn't install the rear because I don't like how the front sits, but coilovers are on the way. That is all for today, guys. I'm gonna be heading home right now. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. Comment below any ideas for the Z, color suggestions. I already have a color picked. You guys can take a guess below. but you know, changed my mind. If you guys want a different color, let me know. But yeah, so that's all. Little update on my car. Fix the misfire issue. If for some reason it does come back, I will do a follow-up video and show you guys. Pretty sure it's not gonna come back. Fix the problem, you know. But yeah,